What if I told you that the simple act of cooking has transformed human culture in profound ways? The history of cooking traces back to the discovery of fire, a pivotal moment that ignited a culinary revolution. Imagine a time when our ancestors huddled around fires in caves, their faces glowing in the flickering light. It was here, in these heated spaces, where the first sparks of culinary innovation were kindled. The discovery of fire did not only provide warmth and safety, but it was also the stepping stone to cooking, a practice that would become a cornerstone of human survival and culture. Clay pots, rough-hewn and sturdy, were among the earliest tools used in the creation of a meal. These pots, hardened by the very fires they sat upon, were the first ovens, the first stew pots, the first frying pans. They were the birthplace of 1,000 meals and 1,000 stories, all shared around the warmth of the fire. But this was not all. Our ingenious ancestors also saw potential in the materials around them. Imagine the use of large stones as griddles, heating food by the fire. Picture animal hides used as vessels to store and even cook food, providing a portable solution for nomadic tribes. Beyond clay pots and heated caves, other unique cooking methods were employed by our predecessors. Consider a hot spring, its water bubbling and steaming. These were nature's own hot tubs, but they served a more crucial purpose than mere relaxation. Our ancestors discovered that these springs could be used to cook. They would wrap their food in leaves and submerge it into the steaming water, letting the earth's own heat do the work. Through these methods, they harnessed the elements around them, creating culinary practices that would echo through the ages. As our techniques evolved, so did our taste buds. In the early days of cooking, flavor was largely driven by necessity. Our ancestors used what was readily available in their environment, including a variety of herbs, roots, and seeds. These natural seasonings not only added a kick to their meals, but were also recognized for their medicinal properties. The first spices were introduced by ancient civilizations that discovered the transformative power of these aromatic substances. The Egyptians, for instance, were known to use garlic, onions, and coriander, while the Chinese were one of the first to cook with ginger, star anise, and Sichuan pepper. As history marched on, the Middle Ages saw the rise of the spice trade, turning these seasonings into commodities of great value. Spices were transported across continents on trade routes, such as the Silk Road, impacting economies and the course of history. Moreover, spices played a critical role in preserving food and improving its taste, especially during winter months when fresh produce was scarce. They were also used to prevent illness, their antimicrobial properties invaluable in an era before modern medicine. The allure of spices even influenced world exploration. It was the search for a faster route to the Spice Islands, known for their cloves, nutmeg, and mace, that led explorers like Christopher Columbus and Vasco da Gama to venture into uncharted territories, ultimately redrawing the map of the world. Spices, therefore, have not only seasoned our food, but also the course of human history. From the open fire to the electric and gas stove, the way we cook has dramatically evolved. But what sparked these innovative shifts? In the mid-19th century, the gas stove was invented, providing a new way to prepare meals. Not only was it safer and cleaner than wood or coal, but it also offered the ability to control heat levels with precision, forever changing our approach to cooking. Around the mid-20th century, we began to harness the power of electricity for cooking, leading to the invention of the electric oven. This was a significant game-changer, offering convenience and control like never before. Around the same time, another groundbreaking invention was taking shape. The microwave oven, a byproduct of radar technology World War II, promised to cook food in a fraction of the time traditional methods required. The first commercially available microwave, launched in the mid-50s, was as large as a refrigerator and just as expensive. However, as the technology improved and prices dropped, microwaves became a common sight in kitchens around the world. Parallel to these cooking advancements, the development of refrigeration played a crucial role in food preservation. The refrigerator allowed for longer storage of fresh produce, meats, and dairy, significantly impacting our food consumption habits and reducing waste. These appliances didn't just change how we cook, they also transformed our food culture. Meals could now be prepared quickly and easily, freeing up time for other activities. This shift played a significant role in the rise of ready meals and convenience foods, forever altering our relationship with food. In the modern era, we're seeing the trend of smart kitchen appliances. These devices use technology to provide even more convenience, control, and efficiency, pushing the boundaries of how we interact with our kitchens. Fermentation might seem like a modern food trend, but did you know it's been around for centuries? It's true. This ancient technique has been a cornerstone in the art of food preservation, allowing our ancestors to enjoy their harvests long past the growing season. In fact, fermentation was a crucial culinary practice in ancient Egypt, where it was used in the process of making bread and beer. It's fascinating to know that the very loaves and brews they feasted upon were products of this timeless technique. Venturing further, let's take a step back in time and explore more about how fermentation was used in the past. You see, without refrigeration or modern preservation methods, food would spoil quickly. But our ancestors were resourceful. They discovered that by allowing certain bacteria or yeasts to thrive, they could transform their food, not only preserving it, but also enhancing its flavor and nutritional value. This practice gave rise to unique regional cuisines, each with their distinct fermented flavors. For instance, take kimchi, a spicy, tangy, fermented cabbage dish that stands as a cornerstone of Korean cuisine. Traditionally, kimchi was stored in earthenware jars and buried underground during the winter months. This allowed for the perfect conditions for fermentation, resulting in a food that could be enjoyed all year round, regardless of the season. And some of these traditional fermented foods have stood the test of time, remaining staples in diverse cultures today. But fermentation isn't confined to the annals of history. It has made a significant comeback in modern gastronomy. Chefs and food connoisseurs across the world are rediscovering the potential of fermentation to create complex flavors and textures, adding an extra depth to their culinary creations. So, whether it's a Michelin star restaurant or a humble home kitchen, the art of fermentation is very much alive and thriving. Food is more than just sustenance. It's a universal language that brings us together. It's a common thread that weaves through the tapestry of humanity, uniting us in a shared experience that transcends cultures, countries, and continents. Food serves as a central element in social rituals and celebrations, from the Thanksgiving turkey to a birthday cake, infusing traditions with flavors and memories. It's a melody in the symphony of life, adding rhythm to our daily routines, marking milestones, and fostering connections. Take a moment to consider the concept of comfort food. The joy of cooking, the anticipation of flavors melding together, the comfort of a warm meal at the end of a long day. These are not just pleasures, but also powerful psychological tools. Comfort foods, with their familiar tastes and associations, can evoke nostalgia and bring solace, providing emotional as well as physical nourishment. Food's significance isn't confined to our individual experiences. It's a global dialogue. The impact of globalization has expanded our food horizons, introducing us to new tastes and creating exciting fusion cuisines. From sushi burritos to kimchi pizzas, our plates are becoming a melting pot of cultures, a testament to the power of culinary exchange. Each dish, each recipe, is a story of a people, a place, a time, a celebration of diversity, and an exploration of taste, texture, and tradition. A journey through time, one bite at a time. From the bustling streets of Bangkok to the quiet corners of a Parisian cafe, food is a testament to our shared history, our shared heritage, and our shared future. But food is not just about the past, it's about the present and the future. In a world where health challenges are on the rise, food offers a lifeline. From plant-based diets to gluten-free alternatives, our plates are evolving. We're tailoring our food choices to meet health needs, fuel our bodies, to heal. It's not just about individual health, it's about collective health, the health of our communities, our environment. With sustainable farming practices, ethical sourcing, and mindful eating, we're making food choices that have an impact. So the next time you sit down for a meal, take a moment to appreciate the rich history, cultural significance, and global influences of the food on your plate. Consider the social rituals it represents, the comfort it provides, and the innovation it reflects. Bon appétit!